Notes should only include class material and announcements. Accessibility in the ACDC is the liaison between note takers and students utilizing our note-taking services. Note takers are required to submit notes for any missed classes. Note takers and students should treat each other with respect and professionalism at all times. Contact Accessibility in the ACDC if any problems or concerns arise. First, log into my.fairfield.edu to create a profile. Type Accessibility into the search bar and select the Accessibility and Accommodations task. Then, launch the program. Select the Sign Up as NoteTaker option to create a NoteTaker profile. Then, enter the CRN numbers of all your current courses. Keep in mind, this does not guarantee you have been accepted for the position yet. If the Sign Up as NoteTaker task does not appear, contact Accessibility in the ACDC to receive page access. If you have not been matched, the NoteTaker page will appear as follows. If you are a match for someone that requires a NoteTaker, you will receive a notification offering the position. Follow the link provided to confirm or deny the position offer. To upload notes, select the Upload and View Notes menu option. In the File Information section, complete information and upload notes.